Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can take HDR photos with the Nikon Coolpix V500. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
HDR stands for High Dynamic Range. Dynamic range refers to the difference between the lightest light and darkest dark in a photo. When the dynamic range of the scene or your subject exceeds the dynamic range of the camera, the highlights tend to wash out to white, or the darks may appear as big black patches. For example, in a scene like this, I may get a fully blown out sky or a completely black foreground. The HDR mode of my camera comes to my rescue in such situations. Let me show you how. Set your camera to the backlighting mode of your camera. Now go to the menu and turn on HDR, and that's it. Start clicking. The camera may take extra time to process and save your image, so be patient and don't tap any button or turn the camera off. See for yourself the difference between the image clicked in the auto mode and the ones clicked in the HDR mode. Another way to take HDR images is to click your images in different exposures and later on merge them in Photoshop or Lightroom. Let me show you that also. I set my camera on my tripod and compose my shot. Click an image. Observe where my image lacks details. Here the sky looks a bit blown out. I click this button here to the right of OK and reduce the brightness to -1. Click another image. Reduce the exposure further to -2 and click another image. Similarly, I take a picture at +1 and +2. Now that we have our images, let's take them into Photoshop and see what we can do with them.
I go to Photoshop, File menu, Scripts, Load files into Stack. Press Browse and select the images I want to stack. Here I have an overexposed and underexposed image. Automatically align my images just in case my tripod may have moved a bit. OK. Wait for it to process. This may take some time. Now we select both our images by clicking the Shift key, Edit, Auto Blend Layers. Make sure Stack Images is selected and Seamless Tones and Colors is ticked. Press OK. This will take even more time to process. And that's it, I'm done. As you can see, Photoshop automatically picks up the parts of the image that are correctly exposed and stacks them on each other. Now let's merge these layers. I go to Layer, Merge Layers. Now let me crop out all the transparent area to the sides. Just crop it with the crop tool. Hit enter and my image is ready.
So guys, I hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. And go out there guys, click those HDR images, tag me at Agarwal Sonika on Instagram. I will be very happy to have a look at your images guys. Comment what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Here is my previous video and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check it out guys. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye!